head. Here is a Rheem pervert. Here is a Rheem value series heat pump. It's a nice looking unit right here. I like. Yeah, this unit. This looked pretty a little bit similar, just like my grandma Jerry's Rheem Classic Series air conditioner. I mean, yeah. Hers was a rectangular-ish Rheem, the Rheem Classic Series. It's got two. It's this guy. Two blades right here. You can see, and it has a 5-ton fan motor. Yeah, it's got but also to let you know, my grandma Jerry's no longer living, so this unit has great shape, and this unit is like came out in like 2006, I believe. Maybe. Yeah, this has a reciprocating compressor. Sorry, this wind stuff. You can see I can't get through. I can't get through here because of this gate. This gate is in the way and it's locked. So it also has a circuit breaker. You can shut off the unit if something's wrong with it or something else. Right here you can see. But yeah, this unit, it's gray looking. Yeah. So if y'all like air conditioning units, then you can be free to check me out. Give me a thumbs up and comment below what other units y'all want me to film. So stay tuned and thank y'all for watching and have a great day.